I predicted that you were going to respond with
I
sure.
predicted that you were gonna say sure.
Lol.
I predicted you were gonna say lol too.
I predicted that Ezzy was going to say the exact same thing as me.
I predicted that Viewsonic was gonna point out that I said the same exact thing as him.
Yeah, they also predicted that, and he predicted that as well.
You guys both sound like 5-year-olds.
But I'm 14.
You're also 5'2", so please shut up.
5'4".
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're not 4.
5'4". My height
Oh.
is very short, but you know.
Yeah, you're short.
Hell.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot.
Shut up.
Are you?
Well, same thing.
What?
At least I'm not the shortest.
How tall are you?
5'7".
Oh.
You're in between us.
Hold on, I'm
Kai is just stupid.
He's gonna
Don't listen to him.
Cool, don't die. I beat it, cool.
GG.
Finally.
What did you beat?
Why did the last
Blizzard.
section sound like it was so long?
What did you beat?
Black Blizzard.
Beat Black Blizzard.
Awesome!
My nerves are not here. I don't know why. It's probably because it's late.
Yeah. It sounded like the last section lasted for much longer than I expected it to.
Yeah, it did.
What do I beat again? What do I comment?
I did it. L.
I made a
I did it, L. Okay.
I made a fan-made sequel
Hit in the wall.
called White Snowman. Play on my account.
Wait, snowman.
Please. That comment's gonna get like 3 dislikes. Alright, cool. Oh wait, I need to add all my attempts up. 4777.
What?
Oh, that's the
total?
That's the
That's
name
the total?
of this.
No!
Okay, so it's gonna be like, what? How did you add it up so fast?
I'm... That's so many.
What?
Yeah, because Black Blizzard's stupid.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Do you want me to lie?
What?
I could just say 2.